Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how you can create a playlist on the YouTube application on your mobile. And for this first we need to find a video that we want to add to a playlist. So if I tap on this video from Brownie, I want to add this to a playlist, then we need to scroll to save. Right there it's standing save. So if I tap on save right now, we just saved the video. Now I have a lot of playlists created. Oh, sorry, tap on it again. If you can see, I have a lot of playlists, but I want to create a new playlist with only videos from Brownie. So now if I tap on new playlist, I can give this playlist a title. So Brownie's videos. Now you can choose if you want your playlist on public, unlisted or private. I want it on private. And then if I do create, playlist created, and if we tap on see list, we just created our own playlist very easily. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.